The intro you're about to see is honestly god-awful, and to be real with you, I probably hate it a lot more than you guys will hate watching it. But I'm still gonna use it because trial and error. Let's just, get into the intro. I told you. Okay, let's do the real video now.
I'm gonna dye the ends of my hair purple again. I really want to be patient and let it all wash out so I can do this nice teal in my hair. Cause see, as you can see, it's like kind of empty-ish because I tried it before my hair was like completely blonde again, but it didn't work. That was like 2 months ago. So I guess we just gonna go purple. I mean, could bleach it, but that's bad. That's bad for my hair. I shouldn't do that. I need gloves. These are not the kind of gloves that Sally's and or Brad Mondo would recommend you, but they're the gloves I'm gonna use. I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you there's already hair dye all over my bathroom. You can't see it, but yay. It's really fine. It's not fine. That's what I get for trying to be extra. First steps first. I put my hair in pigtails because it makes it easier. What else is there to say about it? Oh, my hair is so tangled. I've been dyeing my own hair since I was in 8th grade. So that's 13. I'm almost 19. That's like 5 years of dyeing my own hair. So I guess you could call me a professional. I like firmly believe that this is gonna turn out okay because firstly, I bleached my ends last October to do whatever that is. And then I've been putting color in it since then. And if you know anything about Splat and Manic Panic, because those are the 2 dyes I use, they don't actually damage your hair. Actually, they might, but I mean, my hair doesn't feel damaged. It just looks poofy because I have curly-ish hair. And I'm brushing it. So, you know, it is what it is. I told my mom I was dyeing my hair tonight, and she was like, oh, so you're gonna make another mess in the bathroom? I was like, call me. I don't care about the professionalism of things. I just get it done. My rug has hair dye on it. My floor has hair dye on it. This is going really good for me. Time for gloves. The reason why I would say don't use these gloves is because, as you can see, there's these little bumpies on them. I think they're for like, actually I don't know what they're for, but I've been using them all summer to dye my own hair, so. I don't want my skin to be purple. Crazy concept. I'm actually really not any fun to have around, and I'm trying to be like semi-quiet because my parents are trying to sleep because they have to go to like work in the morning or something. I don't know. Here we go, kids. It's time to get it started. Are you ready to rumble? I am. Oh. I'm having a good time, having a good time. Don't stop me now. Whenever I've dyed my full head, I do actually use a brush because, you know, you gotta have those even coats. But when I'm doing my ends, I really don't care that much because in reality, if it looked bad, chop chop. It's not that deep. I do better than some people, and that's all that matters. I used to have bleach blonde hair from like 7th grade till junior year of high school. And I always did it at home. My mom always bleached my hair for me. Never looked really great, but I loved it anyway. I loved the yellowness of it. And I didn't know what purple conditioner was, so I couldn't even save myself there, kids. I just let things happen the way they happened. Can I title this as a fail to get more views? Or is that rude? I don't think I'll do that. I think I'll be nice and not clickbait this, but I would really love to. I would love to be famous. But I know that's never gonna happen because I'm not funny. Haha. Okay, Beth, get your depression out of the chat. Thank you. I didn't even make a mess. I didn't even make a mess. Yeah. We did it. Okay, I'm gonna let this sit in my hair for like an hour.
I'm gonna watch Big Hero 6. See you after the movie.
No. Oh. Thought I got hair. I'm back. We're gonna act like I didn't put the camera in here, turn the light off, and walk out, and then walk in like it was a cool transition, because it wasn't. It's been 2 hours. I know, like, with this kind of dye that the time doesn't really make a difference, because it's not like processing your hair, but I was trying to watch a movie and I didn't even get to finish it because my internet sucks. What's new? I'm gonna wash it out and see what it looks like. Yay! I just want to show you guys what is the Purple River. That is my bathtub. It's also on the edge of the bathtub, so that's really cool. It's time to go ham, kids. I don't know how purple it's actually gonna be. Oh no, is my ear's not purple. Is my hand? No, I'm just going crazy. I'm like nervous about this because I think a lot of purple washed out. Well, I always put shampoo on the ends of my hair when I first dye it because I'm like trying to get all the excess out. And I think a lot of purple came out with it. I mean, if it's like purple and pink, that's cool. But I really want it to be purple. First things first, I have to get rid of the fog on the mirror, so you're not gonna be able to hear me for a hot minute. Sorry, there's like, it smells like burning. Oh, that's not good. Well, Mom, if I burn the house down, this is why. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the ugliest of them all? Oh, it's me. Here comes the reveal, kids. Okay. Let's do something here. I didn't dry my hair completely. I don't have that kind of time. Oh my god. Where did I go wrong? Something bad happened to my hair. Do y'all see this? It's not like purple at all. Okay. I don't know what to do about this. I mean, like, it's kind of purple, but like, it literally looks like I didn't put dye in my hair at all. Remember when I said I wasn't gonna clickbait this video? Well, now it's not clickbait anymore. Ha 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 ha. Literally, do y'all see this? This ain't purple. It's like, it's just not. I just really want my hair to be like some bright color before I move back to college. But this ain't it. I don't know. I mean, like, I liked the look before with like the purple and the pink like together. But like, this isn't like what it was before, because like what it was before, it was like purple on the very ends and then like pink fading into purple. This ain't it. It looks like more purple on camera than it does in real life. Should I just chop it off? I don't know why these are in my bathroom. Ten likes and I'll do it. Okay, well, I guess this is the look until I care enough to do something about it. It's a lot later. My outfit is really bomb today. I'm feeling it, even though I have to go to work at 4:30. So this outfit's not gonna last the whole day. Anyway, I thought I would come back and share my hair now that it's like completely dry. Are you ready? I mean, it's not that bad. This side is like okay, and then this side just gets sad at the back. So, I mean, I'm not mad at it, but at the same time, it could be better. I don't know. What do y'all think? So, to my 831 subscribers, comment or whatever, I don't know. Let me know what you think. So, yeah. Bye!
Hey girl in the back of the classroom,